There are so many things I want to buy, but I do not. Guys, see. Yeah, with time, everything will be clear. Amen. Amen. Guys, I dey wash clothes outside though. I must show you guys this thing because I think I forget. This man is not wearing clothes because you guys remember I posted a video where I was showing him how to match machine. This is the second time I was sitting on this machine to practice. Since just did the practice. So if you guys know, this is the material. This is my trouser. We don't spoil. Now you use the practice things. Only for him to turn the trouser to bag. Guys, see. I don't even put a shoe inside. Not shoe now. Guys, see. I don't pack shoe, put inside the bag. See another one. Somebody's son don't sew bag. Oh. Guys, see. Second time to sit on this machine. So if this man won't match am very well. Now today so serious in it all. Sorry. And he's so serious. Guys, see the clothes wearing the hole now. Normal. This in clothes don't lose for this corner. I mean for help and hold am. But see guys, somebody's on the hole in clothes. Don't let them see. Hey, this man is so fast in learning. But the thing say never pay for handwork, oh, he never pay for apprentice work. One book. Guys, this bag I go keep her in case if you don't so better thing, I will show you your first handwork. The other one I practice on this one. I'm impressed though. By himself. Hey. Hey. What Abi?
Very nice.
Let me see. Wow. You really try, honestly. You really try. You guys, I just finished washing. I don't wash clothes finish. So from here right now, I'll be going to Maza. There's one bus stop close to us here. It's called Maza. This mini cracker biscuits, I really like it. It's one of my favorite biscuits. I love it a lot. I love shortbread so much, but the price of shortbread now, they won't use scissors cut person neck. But I will still buy them, whether they like it or not. I will still buy them. I go to buy them. If they like me, then sell this one, sell 1,000 for one. I go still buy them. Nonsense. We are at Maza bus stop right now. We saw this at the people that is register SIM. Somebody decided to register his Airtel once. He wanted to do this since all this while, no chance. So that's me showing you guys my real face. That's somebody's son giving them his information like NIN and every other thing.
He has sent his angels to guide me, so I will never hit my feet over a stone. No, every day.
Guys, I just finished from the park right now. Hold your phone, don't go fall inside gutter. So guys, let me show you my neighbor, my beautiful mommy neighbor. Mommy say hi. Mommy say hello now. Hello. This is my mommy. She's my beautiful mommy. Yeah. Also my amazing neighbor. Now then, our mama for Lagos. So somebody's son is here.
Nothing like that.
So we just finished. I'll be going back home. So that's all. Mommy, how market today now?
We are pushing it small.
Abi?
So
market in Nigeria.
They just finished paying children's school fees. Everything is money. It's no sleep. But with time, everything will be clear.
Amen. Amen. So guys, this is where mommy sell market to Nigeria. Just get as everything be, but man must chop. Because every time they do comedy, every time they do comedy, before you know I go switch to outside. Must we enter the camera? Must we enter the camera?
I want to enter there.
Hello guys.
Why am I going to say
Okay, mommy say bye bye. Mommy wants to be going now. Say bye.
bye? People should take what I drink now.
Oh, mommy, they offer us water.
Mommy,
Thank you. She says soft drink, any kind of soft drink. She's there. So if you live for first gate, you will walk up past first gate bus stop. Maybe you come patronize my mom. You.
As we bless you.
Amen.
The next day. Because of money good, if you no get a money wahala. That's how, this how, anyhow, somehow. Any suffer, we suffer because of money. It's a good to suffer. When we get the money, you know.
Guys, good evening. I did not show you guys my face before I leave the house. I'm inside ShopRite right now. I come to get one or two things from here. So, how are you guys doing? Say hi. Hi. Original one.
They no go know us again. That baby, we call us a monkey. They no go know us again. She go they call us a honey. They no go know us again. The people we call us thief. They no go know us again. Them go make us a chief. They no go know us again. Hey, when we get the money, oh, they no go know us again. When we show them dollar.
How do you set me? I don't know, 700 this one. The two girls decide they want to use the money for the ice cream for abacha, so we outside the mall for them to get the abacha before we go back inside. I actually eat the abachas and it was so nice.
Give me joy in my heart, I pray.
Bring it. As when they don't put this now, they will thought maybe you bought it from here. You understand? Take.
Give me joy in my heart as I move along my way. Keep me happy.
This one. Una feel like they do. Ah, my goodness.
We praise in the name each day. Season in, season out.
Hi guys, so we are going back home right now. We are still at the ShopRite side. We are heading out right now. So yeah. So bye bye. And then be my madam today. Now then carry me go shopping. They don't come buy anything for me. See them. See that way. They don't buy anything for me.